Writing a beginner's CV is easy with the assistance of this learning module. You will learn recommended sections to include in your CV and formatting suggestions. A CV is a common document that is used for professionals pursuing positions within academia in the United States. The length is typically longer than the standard industry resume and will grow as experience is gained. Content sections in CVs vary greatly from field to field. For example, a CV for the humanities will differ from a CV in the sciences. Tailor the order of your sections to the position for which you're applying. Recommended categories for a CV include education, dissertation or thesis, awards, honors, fellowships, grants, and scholarships, teaching experience, related work experience, publications, presentations, workshops, and conferences attended, research experience, academic service and community involvement, and professional memberships. The education section should include a list of all institutions, degrees, and date of graduation in reverse chronological order. List degrees that you have earned or are working towards. If a dissertation or thesis is applicable, provide the title and brief description of your work. It is appropriate to include this in the education section, or elaborating on the research more in the related experience section is appropriate for professionals in the sciences. Recognition through awards, honors, fellowships, grants, and scholarships is a strong component of the CV. Include recognitions from undergraduate or postgraduate institutions if they are related to your current field. If teaching experience is applicable to you, include all full-time adjunct and graduate teaching experience. Formatting for this section will look the same as a standard industry resume. Similar to a standard industry resume, list related work experiences in reverse chronological order. If applicable, list work where you have been published in reverse chronological order, using the citation style appropriate to your field. Include information for presentations, workshops, and conferences where you have given presentations. It is appropriate to include a list of conferences attended if they are significant to the field you're working in. Undergraduate and internship research may be included in the research experience section of the CV. Provide a description of the project, techniques mastered, technologies used, and a list of the affiliated professor. Academic service committees and community involvement experience are great student sections of the CV. Include items such as committees on which you served and elected positions. Structure each experience the same as an employment position. List relevant professional memberships to which you belong with your dates of membership in reverse chronological order. The length of a typical beginner's CV will be shorter than a professional who has been in the field and who has shown a steady progression throughout their career. Maintain a consistent format throughout your document. Your CV should be customized with relevant content for the type of position you're applying for. Have a career advisor or a professional in the field review your document. Through this learning module, you reviewed tips and advice for developing a strong beginner's CV. For additional resources, visit the Career Planning and Development Center's website.